Do we find that
Honorable Matthys,
we're done? Okay.
may you please round up?
One more, Anna.
Yeah.
You said that during the investigations with CAT, you found that there were 80 other cases related to him. Did I understand that correctly?
That's correct, Honorable Chair.
And it's expanding over what period, more or less, these cases that have been dangling around the country?
Yeah, I think it goes far back as 2007.
So, National Commissioner, does that not just tell you that how we have failed the country if we have someone has 80, right? Not 18 cases since 2007 up until now, and he's gone under the radar? That speaks to a failed South African police services.
I do agree, Honorable Chair, but we are